Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am Leonie. Today I am sat in my back garden because the sun is out and it's a lovely day. So I thought that I would go through how I plan for my trips. For where I want to go, I normally just go on Skyscanner and put in from the UK to everywhere, cheapest month or that particular month or the particular dates that I want to go, if I have exact dates in mind. And I'll just look at where there are cheap flights to, and then I'll go on booking.com and look at what the accommodation's like there. So I don't plan day by day what I want to do, or I don't plan specific times throughout the day what I want to do. I just go onto Google Maps and I'll search where I'm going. For example, tomorrow I'm leaving for Glasgow, so I'll search Glasgow things to do, and I will go on and star the places that I want to visit, and I will look to see if there's any walking tours. So I'll go and look at a walking tour and I'll book in for the walking tour for usually the first day. Tomorrow I've booked in for a walking tour in the morning, so it's I think an hour or so after I get into Glasgow. I'm on a walking tour to look around through the city, so that'll be the first thing I do. I've also booked to have a meal in Hard Rock Cafe on the Tuesday night. I'm booked in for that, and then everything else is just things that I want to do, and that if I can do them all in one day, then I'll look at other things that I want to do. So I'll have like priorities of things that I want to do. So I just go through, start all the places that I want to visit, and then have a rough idea of which ones I want to do more than the others, and then I'll prioritise those for certain days. I've also go on to Google Maps and heart where I'm staying, so I know where I am and it's easy to get to, and I download the map of where I'm staying. So when I get there, I'll look at something that I want to do on that day, and I'll look at what's around it, and I'll do the things in that area. Then if I've got more time I might go a bit further, or I might just walk around the city without a plan and just see what I can find through exploring with no strict plan. I really like not having to stick to an exact plan. For my trip to Glasgow, I've also looked on TikTok, so I've just searched Glasgow in TikTok, and I found a couple of really cool places that I want to visit through there, like the pizza vending machine, which is pretty awesome, and I've looked on Instagram for like food places in Glasgow and things to do in Glasgow, so I found quite a few things on like TikTok and Instagram. If there's somewhere that I know of that I want to go without having to search it, then I'll just star that straight away. But yeah, I'll just look at the recommended things to do, preferably by locals or people that have been recently. And that's about it for planning. I don't plan in depth. I prefer to just have it as a relaxing holiday rather than plan day by day by day. But having a more structured planned holiday could be more relaxing for some people, just not me. Comment down below whether you like to plan your trips or just go with the flow. I'd really like to know what everyone else does. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!